here, we also want to allocate, let's say, the bread among the children. And we want to make sure everyone is happy. We also want to make sure it is a situation where I cannot make someone better off without making another person more unhappy. In that case, we say it's allocatively efficient. Allocative efficiency is achieved. So last week, I briefly mentioned this term. Okay. I also gave you a preview into what can happen here. Are we producing the right goods in the right quantity? In the case of cigarettes, no. We feel that there's overproduction / overconsumption of cigarettes. In the case of healthcare, no, we think there's underconsumption or underproduction. Okay? So this case is ideal, but it doesn't automatically mean we are there. Okay? Okay, so that's the first one. Second, how to produce. Okay, simply put, we want to produce at the lowest possible cost. Okay, so we like to produce at the point where your cost of production is kept to a minimum. How do we see this in a more technical way? Oh, we say you are producing maximum output from all available resources. Again, resources is the same as factors. You should think of cell, C-E-L-L. Okay? So, lowest possible cost has to mean that you're not wasting any resources. Alright? So that's when you are producing maximum output. We call this productive efficiency. Okay? Two concepts. Okay? In about 1 or 2 more lessons, I'll give you a full answer. Okay? Full answer meaning they can really ask you a question, 10 marks. Explain how the price mechanism works. You're supposed to write a full-length answer. So that will be furnished to you, right? But this is to build the understanding. Okay? For whom to produce? We want to produce for those who are most in need. Okay? So we like to produce for people who need the good the most. Okay? And I think, was it you, Jedrick, who mentioned that this is usually for those who cannot pay for the good? Yes? Okay? So, in short, we want to achieve equity, fairness. Those who are most in need are usually the low-income people. Okay? Now, equity has a more fanciful name. It's also known as distributive efficiency. Okay? So everything can be seen in terms of this single word, efficiency. So you kind of get a sense, oh, the efficiency we saw from PPC is just the tip of the iceberg. Any questions? Okay, this is how the 3 fundamental questions are designed, and this represents the desired outcomes. Okay? So, when you talk about resource allocation, in the syllabus we'll learn that there are 2 types of systems. Alright? The first one is called a command economy. The second is called a market economy. In a command economy, everything is centrally planned. It's like China, when they were a bit more communist than now. Okay, then North Korea, okay, or Cuba. Command economy basically, now I'll say probably North Korea lah. Everything is decided by the government, the Kim family. What and how much to produce, they will decide. How to produce, they decide. For whom to produce, maybe those who are loyal to the party. Okay? So they decide everything. In short, the system sucks. We don't study a command economy in the syllabus. Okay?